Already introduced us, I'd like to introduce our team. Our team comprises of 3 members, Raghav Parekh, N. Vamsi Krishna, and myself, Akash Sethi. Although much has been invested in the Indian education system, India still remains home of one of the largest uneducated population. 25% of the Indian population is illiterate, which equals to 34% of the entire world illiterate population, with second place China at 11%. Only 15% of the Indian students make it to the high school, and only 7% of those 15% who reach the high school graduate. This has been the result of the poor implementation of the policies and lapses on government's part to realize the growing needs of education. Furthermore, the ever-increasing cost of education has made it beyond the reach of a common man. 60 years after independence, with more than 40% of its population under the age of 18, India is now confronting the perils of its failure to educate its citizens. Understanding the gravity of the situation, we decided to come up with a solution of imparting education, which will be equal in quality and literally free of cost when compared to the education imparted at any other high-end school. It will be absolutely free of cost, that's the main point. This led to the genesis of Samyak Shiksha. The word Samyak means complete or in totality. And the word Shiksha, as most of you must be knowing, means education. So with this basic thought of complete education, our team did some brainstorming. The issue in front of us was quite clear: to provide quality yet cost-effective education. This word Samyak Shiksha sorry for the interrupt. The issue in front of us was quite clear, and call it our luck or destiny that we, having an engineering background and we belonging to this era of technology, was right in front of us. We had hit the jackpot: www.samyakshiksha.com. So what is Samyak Shiksha? Samyak Shiksha is basically a website on which a series of educational videos will be uploaded. The topic of the videos will range from grade 7th to grade 12th and will cover various subjects like history, economics, maths, and many others. The videos will be in compliance with the Central Board of Secondary Education and various other state boards. Now with Samyak Shiksha, a student can learn at his own pace. He can view videos as many number of times as he feels, till he feels that his concepts are conceptually clear. He can come and view the videos which to revise what he had studied earlier, say a week before. And if he doesn't understand anything, no worries. Just stop the video, contemplate for a while, and continue whenever you wish. No glaring eyes of the teachers and no peer pressure. The USP of Samyak Shiksha is digitizing education. Digital media, without any doubt, is the latest fad. And this can be used to transform the basic notion of education as being boring to education being entertaining and highly interesting. This brings me to the next question: who is our target customer? Samyak Shiksha in the initial phase will be focusing on small and medium-sized towns where students lack basic amenities like infrastructure, resources, teacher, and good teacher to student ratio, and many other things. So we, for our convenience, decided to group the cities in 3 groups. Group C cities with population less than 1 million, Group B cities with population between 1 and 5 million, and Group A cities with population more than 5 million. After establishing ourselves in Group B and Group C, we will focus to shift our penetration to larger cities. One thing which makes us confident about the reach of Samyak Shiksha is the exponentially growing number of internet users in India, which reached the 100 million mark in December 2011. India and Indian market is changing, so should the mode of education. Samyak Shiksha will require minimal initial investments, and we plan to make it absolutely self-sustaining in the long run. The unique feature of Samyak Shiksha is that it provides education absolutely free of cost. Other than just educational videos, we will have videos explaining answers to the key questions as well as previous year's question papers. We will have a hotline number which will be at students' disposal. This unique feature of Samyak Shiksha will be of great help, especially during the time of examination. Alternate solutions to the equations will be provided, which will ensure students' overall understanding. Also, to ensure the accuracy, experienced teachers will be asked to proofread the data. Our model basically involves recruiting of college students and extensively training them. And as our location, as a startup from one of the best engineering colleges, we will have an opportunity to hire from the cream of the next generation of professionals as our employees. Also, as students from different parts of the country, we are at a position where we know better than the most the problems faced by a school-going student. Although there are a few operators who have established a foothold in the multimedia education market, we face the advantage of insider information, where we will be able to better understand the pain points of the customer. Our biggest challenge will lie in how we envision Samyak Shiksha in several years from now, and what steps we take to achieve the vision. Once Samyak Shiksha has obtained a foothold in the Indian education market, we will strive to reach the remotest of villages through Samyak Shiksha series and materials. Local representative of Samyak Shiksha will be present in as many backward districts as possible to ensure the same. With this, we hope that every villager will have access to equal education. Ultimately, our vision for Samyak Shiksha is of developing a platform where students from all over the world will be able to come and discuss and interact with each other. It will help bridge the education divide and enable students ranging from small towns to large cities receive an equal and conceptually sound education. Einstein had said, education is what remains after one has forgotten what he had learned in school. Samyak Shiksha is exactly the same by helping students retain for a longer time. Samyak Shiksha is a tool which will enhance the speed of transforming the education system. It is one of the best ways of implementing technology in education. Therefore, it will help in bringing about the much required change. This model, while transcending all other existing models, will focus primarily on the people at the bottom of the pyramid. Education has no race or religion, and it shouldn't have a price tag attached to it in an ideal society. It is a right of every individual, and the right will be ensured when education makes the most of technology through Samyak Shiksha. Thank you.